Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see another extraordinary recipe, the carrot halwa. Friends, this is one of the easiest halwa to make and it needs only few ingredients. And I'm very excited to share this recipe with you all. So without any further ado, let's see how to make this a rich Indian carrot halwa. For making this halwa, you should take a heavy bottomed pan. So next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of nice fresh ghee. Next I'm going to add mixed nuts. Today I have took almonds and cashew nuts. You could also add dry grapes, but as my family members are against dry grapes, but I love them, I am not going to add them. So now we need to saute them until they become golden brown in color. So once they're golden brown in color like this, you can shift them into another bowl like this and keep them aside. So in the same ghee, I'm going to add shredded carrots. So friends, I have shredded this in small size like this. So this is the perfect size. So now I'm going to add the shredded carrots. Friends, I have took 7 medium-sized carrots and I have shredded them nicely. So this is the second batch I'm going to add. Friends, many of you guys think that shredding these carrots a big headache, but trust me, that's the best thing to do. You can spend a lot of time with your family. I remember when I used to be in India, we used to make in huge quantities for the whole family. So I used to sit in a circle and shred the carrots and having fun. Okay, coming back to the topic, after 10 minutes of sauteing, I'm going to add 800 milliliters of full fat milk. Friends, the quantity is that it should be enough for the carrots to sink. Look friends, like this. Friends, if you use little milk, then the carrots won't get enough time to cook nicely. So there'll be this raw taste of carrot in the halwa. If you add more milk, then the carrot's raw tastes will go off. So friends, look how nicely it's bubbling up and boiling around. So friends, let this cook until the milk has evaporated nicely. This took me around 40 minutes. Friends, it is not necessary for you to keep on stirring it. You could just leave and after some time you can just stir it. So friends, as you can see now, it has a little bit reduced, but this is not enough. We should go ahead and reduce it more. So friends, as you can look now, it has nicely reduced and this is perfect. So the next step is to add 250 grams of white sugar. Friends, this recipe does not need any perfect quantity. You can simply estimate it and add. If you want more sugar, you can add more. If you want less sugar, you can add less. So now you can see that as soon as we add sugar, it loosens up and it is a little bit watery. So now we need to again cook until it reduces nicely. So friends, now it has reduced nicely and this is the perfect consistency. It should not be too dry. When I draw a line, it should be able to separate. So that consistency is perfect. So next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of everyone's favorite fresh ghee. And then let's mix it. Friends, the color of the carrot is extraordinary. Look at this. And the aroma is amazing. I don't need to tell it. Once it's combined nicely, let's add our nuts that we had roasted and kept it in the beginning. And next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So let's give it a slight gentle mix. And after that, our delicious and amazing Indian dessert, our gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa is amazingly ready. Friends, come on, this is the festive season and it is a time to discover and try new sweets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and surely try this amazing recipe out and tell me in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.